शुरू करें। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सर्वेश है। आई एम द फाउंडर एंड सीईओ ऑफ इंटर्नशाला।
और मेरा नाम अमिताभ वर्मा है। आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ एम्प डिजिटल।
Amitabh is an alumnus of IIM Kozhikode. He has worked with Google for 7 years and he will be the lead instructor for this program. Together, we'll take you through this video. क्या आप जानते हैं कि इंडिया में more than 90% of the graduates earn less than 3 lakhs per annum salary in their first job? जरा सोचिए, a salary of 3 lakhs per annum means a monthly in-hand salary of 22,000 rupees, which is barely enough for one to survive in a metro. This does not feel right. And we want to change that by creating a program that is academically so rigorous and so aligned with industry standards that companies are happy to offer a salary of more than 3 LPA to the graduates of the program. Thus was born the idea of job-oriented specializations, or as I like to call them, JOSH. Our goal is simple. Every year, if we can train 20,000 students and help them get an exciting job, we would consider this initiative a success. हमें लगेगा कि ये कोशिश कामयाब हुई.
Because it is one of the fastest growing industries. Of the 1.3 billion people in India, nearly half of them are now online. And for any business wanting to reach these 500 million customers, digital marketing is the way to go. Just think about the time you spend online and how many of your purchases either happen online or are influenced by an ad or a review that you read online. No wonder digital marketing as a field has exploded, and a career in digital marketing is one of the most in-demand professions of today. About 1 in 5 fresher jobs that get advertised online belong to digital marketing. Further, digital marketing as a field is constantly changing with new tools and updates every day. Hence, students need expert guidance to learn it in a step-by-step method, and which is why we build this specialization for you.
This program is for final year students, recent graduates, or young professionals who have an interest in digital marketing and wish to make a career in it. Our goal is to prepare you so well that you can land yourself a 3 LPA plus starting job in digital marketing. This is a beginner friendly program, which means कि ये प्रोग्राम करने के लिए आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का प्रायर नॉलेज होना जरूरी नहीं है. We'll take you from beginner to expert level in a step-by-step manner.
Everything that industry expects from a digital marketing professional. You can check out the syllabus from the table of contents. The best part is that this specialization is packed with lots of tests and projects to ensure you get to apply the theory in real life. After all, practical knowledge is what is valued in the industry the most. And if you get stuck anywhere while learning, me and my team will be there to solve your doubts all along the way. Upon graduating from the program, you will receive a digital marketing specialization certificate from Internshala. We'll also prepare you for 7 most popular industry certifications from Google and HubSpot, 3 of which are mandatory for you to graduate from this program. You can appear for these certification exams free of cost.
While the program comes with the best-in-class placement assistance that you can read more about on the page, but I want to say 2 things. Frankly, अगर हम placement assistance ना भी offer करें, the program is so well designed, so practice-oriented, and so rigorous that anyone who completes the program should be able to find a job in the industry on their own too. But घबराइए मत, we are not going to leave you on your own. 150,000 companies use Internshala to hire every year. And this reach among recruiters is our strength and is hard to be matched by anyone in the industry. And we are going to leverage this reach to help you in your placements.
Designing and bringing this program, JOSH, to you has been a dream project for us. We have worked hard, brainstormed a lot, and all the experience and knowledge that we have acquired over the years We have distilled that into creating this program.
एक अच्छी फर्स्ट जॉब हर किसी का सपना होता है, एंड एवरी टाइम वी आर एबल टू मेक दिस ड्रीम अ रियलिटी फॉर अ स्टूडेंट लाइक यू, वी विल बी गेटिंग क्लोजर टू आवर ड्रीम ऑफ हेल्पिंग एवरी डिजर्विंग स्टूडेंट लैंड एन एक्साइटिंग जॉब। यह एक बड़ा सपना है और मुझे लगता है कि सपने बड़े ही होने चाहिए। सो वी आर ड्रीमिंग बिग, वॉट अबाउट यू? आवर जोश इज हाई, हाउ अबाउट यू?